Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. It's another beautiful winter day here in the Canadian Maritimes. And it's getting into a busy time of the year for contests. And I got an email from a subscriber. Thank you very much for sending your emails. You can get my email address off of QRZ. Feel free to ask me any questions that you like. So this person is brand new to contesting. He runs the N1MM software, which is a good platform. It's free. There's also N3FJP, which has a small fee. World Radio League looks like it's getting into contesting. So one of the questions he had was around, what does S and P mean in the N1MM software? Well, very simple. It means search and pounce. It is the same as let's say you're a worldwide flora and fauna or parks on the air hunter, and you're looking at the spot page, looking for POTA activators to call.
Calling W7HFE from VE9ACC with a signal report of 5 and 9 into New Brunswick.
Well, technically, you're searching and pouncing. So that's what it means. It's simple. You're answering other people's CQs. You're searching and pouncing. The other side of it is called run, which is simple. You're just calling CQ on a frequency. So you're running a frequency. So there you go. That's what SMP means in the N1MM software. Search and pounce. Don't forget to send your questions to me. You can get my email off of QRZ. I welcome any questions, any comments. Leave a comment below. Send me an email. Do whatever you need to. I'd just like to hear from you. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, coming to you from the winter wonderland of New Brunswick today. See you in the contest.